Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix Taco Bell app won't let me pay. So if you're also having that exact problem and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly, you're going to just firstly close your Taco Bell app and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, what you're going to do, you're just going to scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general in here and as you can see it should now take us to this page. Now on this page just scroll down a little bit and then click on storage. And by the way, if you're using an Android, don't worry because it's going to be the exact same steps as well. Just find storage on your Android. So go into your settings and then if you can just search for storage as an example, or it should be somewhere in general, basically in section where it says on iPhone, for example, general, find something similar in your Android as well. And now we're just going to scroll down in here until we can find the Taco Bell app. So just a second, I'm going to keep scrolling down in here. Oh, here it is, as you can see. So click on the Taco Bell. So what I did in here actually myself, I clicked on upload app and then once again I clicked on upload app. Then I just waited 1 or 2 seconds and then clicked on the blue button here once again, as you can see. And you can see it says loading right here. And I think that the reason why this worked for me is that I automatically updated my Taco Bell app to the newest version. So by doing this, you will automatically update your Taco Bell to the absolute newest version. And then what will happen after that is that it's going to fix a lot of bugs that was in the previous version. So I hope that this is going to be able to fix the bug that you are not able to pay on the app. So try again when it's done and hopefully now it's fixed.